After 15 years, we had to replace our stackable washer and dryer, and this time I wanted to do it smartly. We did the upgraded stainless steel braided hoses with 3 layers. Much better fit with a super tight space between the machine and the wall. And I also found the other end super easy to connect to the hot and the cold because they're marked. 90-degree elbow connections, PVC on the inside, 304 grade stainless steel on the outside, included rubber gaskets that are extra thick. It is designed for anti-aging, anti-corrosion, with nickel-plated brass nuts, ferrules, and nibbles. And the 3/4 NPT connections on both ends, which is your industry standard for US-based washing machines, perfect for hot and cold. And a good old-fashioned plier or wrench was all I needed to get the attachment nice and tight. Everything held well for me, no issues with quality, construction, or durability. First impressions, they seem durable, smart elbow design, universal compatibility, very simple, affordable upgrade to protect your investment with washer installation. It was pretty easy and it seems just like a really durable solution. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.